Imagine your AI tool suddenly starts generating the wrong quality of leads, or an apartment that should be worth $250,000 in real life, AI values it at $250 million. These could be signs that your AI needs some maintenance. In this video, we will identify how to know when your AI needs an update and, crucially, how you can go about kicking it back into shape.
So welcome back to day 75. Today, we'll be talking about maintaining and optimizing your AI tools. And this is a way of ensuring that your AI technology remains up to date and remains effective. The key objectives from today would be to understand why you require ongoing maintenance, identify the key strategies for keeping your AI tools up to date, then would learn how to monitor and evaluate the performance of your AI tools, recognizing the signs that your tool is requiring optimization, and how to engage partners in deploying all the solutions that you need in order to stay on top of the performance of your AI solution. So why would you need to maintain and optimize your AI tools? So first is AI tools eventually become outdated and less effective over time because there's new data that appears in the market. So things like ChatGPT, when initially it was released, was only trained up to 2021, whereas we're signing up for ChatGPT in 2023. So you had roughly 2 years of data that hadn't been trained on. So eventually they would want to bring that data up to date. So that's new data in the market and in the model itself. And if you bring that down to the tools that you might be using, for all intents and purposes, some of your AI tools could just be wrappers around ChatGPT. So that new data needs to be factored in. The other thing is some of your data could become outdated. So your tool needs to be able to identify the results that you require, but you also need something else to monitor those results and to see if things are changing in terms of the level of responses that you're receiving from your tool. Now, how do you stay up to date? Firstly, you want to stay informed about any AI advancement through conferences, webinars, your software development partner, or industry publications. Then you want to update your AI tools when new versions come out. So if it's a case of you have a version of any tool with it in-house, or you have a version that's presented to you through your membership, just make sure you enhance those versions anytime there's a later version that appears. You just select to upgrade. These new versions will give you bug fixes and new functionality that could make the outcome and the performance of your tool a lot better. Why would you want to monitor and evaluate? Now, the key thing is you'd want to make sure that the accuracy of your tool remains high. So how well is your AI tool performing? Is it doing it in the way you expect? Is it generating accurate valuations? Is it generating leads correctly? Is it generating the correct leads? If you think about the lead generation rate, is it generating the right number of leads? Has there suddenly been a jump in the number of leads that appear? And then when you dig into the leads, you see that the quality of the leads has dropped. So those are things that you can use to determine if something is changing with regards to how your tool is performing. Then you also want to be identifying if the data is being interpreted and anything has been identified as being a response to any queries you're sending into your tool. So identify those improvements and see if there's anything happening that's reducing the quality. So the key signs that you want to look out for in order to determine if you have to improve your AI tool is the decline in accuracy. Of course, for all these points that I'm about to mention, it'll be reliant on you having some data and some way of tracking the results. So declining accuracy, increased errors, a lower return on your investment, and a drift in the kind of data that you get back for the same queries that you send into your AI tool. Now, with some of these tools, you may require a partner to help you determine this tool in the first place. and then have a required partner to help you keep on top of the tool itself. Now, there are testing tools for things like models to see if the responses remain at your required level. So with these tools, you're regularly checking that the output that you're getting is at a higher level. There are tools for doing those tests. So Autore.ai can help you implement those tools, help you keep on top of the performance, monitor the optimizations that you may have in place to make sure that they are at the correct level, and we can provide ongoing support and expertise in maintaining your AI toolkit. So to recap, in today's session, we looked at the ongoing maintenance and optimizations, and we've talked about why they are crucial for your AI tool effectiveness. Told you how to stay informed with regards to AI advancements and any updates. You also mentioned how you can monitor your AI tool performance and identify areas for improvement. Now, you need to keep your eye open for signs of underperforming AI, and you can engage Autore.ai as your partner in maintaining and optimizing your toolkit. Now, Autore is a software development company. We automate business processes. We automate the mundane tasks that you have within your business to improve effectiveness and efficiencies. And we are prepared to talk and partner with you in order to deploy the very latest and greatest automations for your business. So reach out to us via our website, Autore.ai, or send an email to uwa@autore.ai. We're also present on the social media platforms. But equally key is leaving a comment in the comment section of this video. Do post any questions you have or any suggestions you may have for content that you'd like us to talk about going forward. So until next time, keep winning.